We moved in about a year and a half ago, and I chose this room to be my office. Now, it needed to be a bunch of things. It needed to double as a filming studio and an office space, and I wanted to introduce color. That's all I knew. This is my office right now. Nothing, there's like no decor really. Everything is just equipment, and these are not even all the boxes that I have. I have a lot of big ideas for things to do in this room. But I am pretty indecisive when it comes to decor, but functionality, I have a lot of ideas. So we'll see what happens. And here's my office. Still have not done anything yet.
It's Missy's. It's Chris's. Oh, it's my turn.
Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Push it. Good job.
It's Mommy's turn.
We moved in about a year and a half ago, and I chose this room to be my office. Now, it needed to be a bunch of things. It needed to double as a filming studio and an office space, and I wanted to introduce color. That's all I knew. All right, so we've got a head start. Just making some space because I've got to build some things here. Now, one thing I knew for sure is that I needed a lot of storage space. I have beauty products. I get things sent to me from brands to review. I definitely needed to make sure I had storage space, and the storage space also needed to double as office supplies or a holder for office supplies. So that is what I am creating right now. This is the Ikea Alex drawer, and everything that I use that is still available, I will link it down below. And of course, hubby is helping me build this, as he usually does when it comes to furniture. And I love this drawer. This is my second time buying it, and they last for a long time. They're just perfect. The drawers are very short, so if you have something like, makeup or sort of like small items, it fits really well. If you have office supplies, things like paper, pins, sticky pads, things like that, this is also the perfect sort of depth and height of drawer if you don't need to store really big, bulky things. I love it. There's a lot of drawers, a lot of compartments, and I highly recommend this. This Loveseat has to be my absolute favorite part of my office. I purchased it from Walmart. It's in this beautiful gray color that you'll see in a minute. It was very easy to assemble, and this is going to be for my lifestyle wall. This is the backdrop to all of my sit-down talking videos, or anytime I have a live stream or I am doing an outfit of the day. This is the backdrop, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect couch. It doesn't sink in too much if I want to sit down and make a video, and it just looks very clean and aesthetic. It was also very easy to assemble.
Let's leave the couch.
You ready for the couch?
Let's leave the couch. I want to see your couch.
Yeah. There's like a rat on it. Oh.
It's a nice couch.
See, this is why I want you to wash his hands. Yeah, he did. Very firm. Yeah, it's perfect for exactly what I need. Because I don't like things that like sink in too much. Anyway. All right. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
The paint job that I'm about to do on this wall is what brings everything to life. I wanted a big, bold color, but I didn't want it to be too distracting. And this is the paint that I got from Home Goods. I will list the color down below. It is a one coat paint, and it turned out so beautifully. This is the part that everyone always comments on in every video, wanting to know what color this is. It's perfect. And here's the wall. It is finally done. I see a little bit of patchiness, but I think once we kind of put everything together, it's not gonna really make a difference. So I'm gonna try not to fret on that part. But I like it. Wow. I didn't think I'd like it, but well, I was hoping I'd still like it. It looks really cool against that white. Yeah. Hubby insisted on a polishing of the floor to sort of like bring it to life, and I am so happy that he did because it really just made everything look amazing. So that's a tip. If you neglect your floors, it may kind of bring down the look a little bit, so maybe invest in a little bit of this polisher. Look at the shine to this floor. Oh, that looks so much better, you guys. Nice. Now, I said earlier that storage is really important, but the thing about having storage in the main space is I just didn't want to be able to see a bunch of clutter. So I purchased this. It's a organizer, and it has a bunch of those sort of fabric shelves or drawers that go inside. And I am so grateful I got this because it gives a really nice clean aesthetic while providing a ton of storage for my electronics. I love this. I will link it down below as well. All of my stuff is in here, and we're replacing this tripod. I don't know if you guys can see, but it broke. So, it's okay. They, you know, did me well when I had.
But can we just shout out? Can we just shout out the beginnings of something amazing? This color, it's giving me so much life right now, you guys. Now I just need to figure out what to do with the artwork. Over here, it doesn't look like anything really. I ordered a table that's not coming for a few days, so I'm kind of at a standstill there, but I can figure out what to do about the art and kind of what I want to be on the sides of this. It can't be too busy because I do film in here, so this is gonna be, you know, my filming studio, and things need to be a little bit modular so that I can have different backdrops, you know? So this is his equivalent of working on cars.
That actually is very true.
You know how guys work on cars and stuff? He doesn't do that, but he does this.
I definitely like build stuff and make tech. You know, I've been at Home Depot in the last 3 weeks, probably a good 30 times.
Yeah, he goes shopping at least twice a day to get something. Now, I knew that I needed a computer center, a place where I could edit video, get some work done, emails, etc., but I wanted it to have a lot of shelves because I have a printer, I have a bunch of things that I'd like to kind of put, maybe some decor, and it took me forever to find it, but I finally found this. I will link it down below. It is a long yet slim desk, so it's not going to take up too much space, and it has some tiered shelving so that I can put my printer or some decor and kind of keep things nice and clean. It's also very lightweight. This was the perfect addition for where my computer ended up being. Got my office so far. Now, I am probably one of the most indecisive people when it comes to home decor, so I called on my hubby to help me with this. He actually saw these frames, I believe at Target, and they sort of reminded him of flowers and plant leaves. So it's a little interpretive with the flowers, but I just think that this was the perfect touch, and I really wanted to bring a little bit of that soft coral kind of pink color in it to make the room feel a little bit more feminine, and this was perfect.
The whole thing is just a bit lower. Right, just a bit higher.
Yeah.
It's an abstract flower.
Yeah, no, it looks really nice.
I wonder if people will notice that when you like share it. That like it's a leaf and then the colors, but do they realize that you're creating
A flower.
an abstract flower?
Yeah.
It's gonna look good once it's done.
I wanted to make sure that I added some greenery. There's just something about having a living life that is really, really nice. So I started with these orchids and I didn't know what I wanted to do with them, but they ended up being really perfect to put on my end tables by the couch. Now they did not last forever, but it really kind of started the idea that I wanted some foliage to be next to the couch, and it looks really nice, kind of balanced in the camera.
I got a package, y'all.
I got a package in the mail and it's from a brand called Ikonick. They do inspirational artwork and I'm really excited to share this with you.
Okay, I'm gonna wait to fully open it because I want the second one to come and it's going on that wall. This is the perfect size. This is from the brand Ikonick, and I have another one coming that I'm literally dying for because it's like my favorite one. Oh, this is so cute. My office is coming together. My office is coming together. Hey. So excited. Good evening. I know it doesn't look like it's evening, but the sun is setting, so buenas noches. I think I'm supposed to say that like when I'm leaving, like good night, bye. Anyway, update. I have added a throw and I got another package. Woo. I'm excited. Okay. First of all, I love how this brand packages their canvases. Look at this. Hold on. Seek what sets your soul on fire. Okay, so with the room, even though there are touches of pink on this wall, it's not exactly pink, but I still feel like it helps tie things together. It'll be on a completely different wall. I love this. I'm gonna keep it in here because I'm gonna go on my trip and come back and set everything up. I love it. I got it with the canvas right here, so it actually is on the edges. I can't remember what size it is, but it's the second from the largest size. Both of them are gonna go on the other wall. I just love this. I really like the brand Ikonick because I've been following their content for a while and all of their stuff is incredibly inspirational. It has quotes about like keep going and never give up, and then they also have like things about peace and tranquility, but a lot of it is very strong and encourages you to keep following your dreams. So I really, really love that about this particular brand. Hey y'all, listen, I just got a package. My mirror is here, and I'm just praying that it is not cracked. I've been needing a mirror that's not that like dinky Walmart mirror, and mirrors, you guys, they're not cheap. They're actually very expensive for like a floor length mirror. So hopefully, yeah, I'm gonna have to put this on the floor.
Now, if you are a beauty and fashion content creator, you know how important having a floor length mirror is, whether it's mirror shots or, you know, just seeing what your outfits look like so that you can present them well. And I found this mirror. It's the perfect mirror for my office. I love it. I love how it's simple, but it has a little pizzazz. It has the black border, so it's not going to be distracting to any of my other decor. This is probably my second favorite thing in my office. It has just come in handy so often. I will link this as well.
You can see all my equipment and everything over there. So I opted for the kind of oval shape so that it has a little style to it. And it also has, it's actually hollow. I didn't expect it to be so hollow. And then it has a little stand. Finally! Who knew? I can see my outfits. Finally! So of course, the room needs to be clean. I've been filming in here. The mirror also needs to be clean, but I can actually like get my full outfit in and show you guys what I'm wearing.
And it, you know, I thought it was gonna be super huge. It's actually not, like it's manageable. Oh my gosh, and I just gotta figure out where the heck in this room to put it. Okay, you guys, I've been doing fashion content, and so everything is everywhere. Like, it's definitely one of the differences between like having an office and something that's a studio. My studio is almost always messy because of the nature of what you do. Like if you've ever been on set, everything looks kind of messy. And so it's all about what you create in the frame, and everything outside of the frame is creating the look, the feel of what's in the frame. So this is like a true kind of behind the scenes nature. If you missed my video on like influencer life and everything, you'll learn a lot more about that. But I need to straighten up so that I can prepare for tomorrow's video. It is fashion content, and then I'm also preparing for another photo shoot that I'm going to be shooting. And so I've got to get those outfits together, and I'm going to be filming reels and all of that. So it's going to be very, very busy. I don't know how much of it I'm going to get on camera, but I will try to give you guys a little clue into it. Because I am incapable of making decisions, my husband is here to help me pick out flowers at Home Goods.
Ain't it crazy, y'all? I'm helping her pick out flowers.
Well, yeah, he's the one. I trust his eye. It's fine.
Not bad.
They're kind of like golden.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's pretty neutral though. I mean, to go on the white.
Well, no, you're gonna layer, but it's just a good. It's a.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. You don't want it to be just one flower.
Oh, okay. Well, what do I know? These are pretty
So
though.
what you want to do is kind of see. You gotta think about your paintings on the things on the wall.
Well, yeah, mine have like kind of more like a corally kind of color to them.
It did.
So like,
But you want to. You don't want to go
fake.
You don't want to. No, you remember layer. They might be okay actually.
But they look fake though.
Yeah.
They look a little bit too fake. Like I don't even know why this is decor. Why is this decor? It's so weird.
Like, you will never see me with cotton just hanging out. And like,
You got it from the plantation, boss.
Whenever I go to certain people's home who like decorate with cotton balls and stuff, and I just be like, I don't feel like I belong here. It's weird.
That is crazy right there.
They're pretty.
Yeah, they are.
Doesn't match. Like, I mean, because I have the pink and white painting. They're pretty though.
We are rounding everything up. We're gonna go simple. We're gonna go statement. This thing looks huge. And as you guys know, I'm not the one who does decor in the house. It is actually my lovely designer husband, because I am, like I said, very indecisive. But I know what I like when I see it. We are gonna do tacos and tequila for date night. Very excited about that.
This is our 5th take. I messed up all of them, you guys. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna enjoy our meal today.
They will never see the light of day. It's okay.
Look at this. Okay, for reference, this is my hand. Look at how big this is. Hold it up to your face, babe.
It's heavy.
What?
Stay tuned for part 2, where I go through my equipment, some of the technical aspects of the office, the modularity, and how it all turned out. I love it, and I will see you in part 2.